Okay, 4750, $4,750 in profit from Microsoft Leaps. Yeah, this was on a Microsoft Leap. I have it at the top of the screen. I've got it on September the 8th, 2020, and close it on the 20th of this month. Well, a few days ago. At the time I bought it on the 8th of September, and it was at that time it was Microsoft closed that day at 202. So, and I paid 1743 for it. Just recently sold it for $6,494. Leaps options is another thing that you can also trade to make money on. As you can see, Microsoft has been rising. Look at it. It pulls back, it goes and pulls back. And I mean, it's been doing real well for the last, let's see, 5 years. It's been up on an incline, pulling back. In the last 6 months, it's been kind of up and down, but it recently hit an all-time new high of $304.36. And you know, Microsoft is a great stock to own. It's also good stock to trade on. I do hold some shares. I do sell cover calls on my shares every once in a while, and I'm gonna keep doing leaps on them. But I'm gonna, since it was a high, I decided to go ahead and cash in. Now I'm gonna wait until a pullback, and I'm gonna also purchase other leaps. But this is an example. I got it at the top of the screen. This is an example up here on how you can grow your account with leap options. You know, especially on stocks like Microsoft's. Well, sometimes Apple. I did it on Apple last year, but Apple this year has not really. It's been sideways. It goes up and down, but now it's starting to break out. This is another example on how right here on how you can use leaps to grow your account. You know, so okay, leap options are long-term equity anticipation securities, and they usually expire 1 to 3 years. So, and they can be highly profitable, you know, if the stock rises or if the stock drops. So, a lot of times when a person bets that a stock is bullish, they'll buy a long uh, call from a year to 3 years out, or they expect a stock to decline. They will buy a long put that's 1 to 3 years out. So leap options can really be profitable, and they can really help grow your account if you have a small account. And so, and if you do lose, it'll be just on the premium. These are examples of leap options here. So, and as you can see, you know, they're pretty expensive, because, and the reason they cost more because it gives you time to be right. It gives it times to move in the money, so they will cost you more than a shorter option with a shorter expiration date, but you can also make more. So basically, that's what leap options are. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next video.